How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be opening up 3 Astral Radiance booster packs. Today is the official release day for the set, and I also got a Husinian Typhlosion promo card. When you purchase up to, when you spend up to $15 on Pokemon TCG products. So, yeah, very nice card. So I'm going to put it right over there. And I'm going to open up the booster packs. Alright, so I just got all the three of the booster packs out, so yeah, I'm going to open up, start off this one with the elf on the front. Alright, so we got Darkness Energy, Dark Patch, Magneton, Gape Jaw Bog, Stantler, Yanma, Hoot Hoot, Rufflet, Husinian Quillfish, Husinian Bribery, that is a rare, yes it is, and a Thieful. Okay, second pack. Okay, so we got Grass Energy, Duat, Jubilife Village, Quilava, Drifloon, Sudowoodo, Magnemite, Ralts, Husinian Sneasel, looks kind of creepy though. Bergamite Reverse, that is a common, and the rare is a Regice. Final pack, can we at least get something? Green code card. I'm guessing this is probably going to be something. I hope. Alright, so we got Lightning Energy, Quilava, Husinian Heavy Ball, Hippowdon, Chatot, Rowlet, Bronzor, Oshawott, Scyther, Reverse Scyther, 2-in-1 pack. This is a common, and the rare, oh, okay, good way to end this off, a Husinian, Husinian, I'm not even sure how you pronounce this, Husinian Samurott V. So overall, out of all these three booster packs, we at least got something, which was this ultra rare. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.